Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make something very special and very good like always. We're going to make langos. It's something come from Central East Europe. My partner is from Slovakia, it's very popular there. Basically, we're gonna make dough and we're gonna deep fry it. But I'm gonna show you how easy and how we're gonna make it. We need a few ingredients. I'm gonna use 500 grams of plain flour, 700 grams of yeast, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of sugar, 1 egg, 250 ml of warm milk, and 50 ml of sour cream. Okay? What I'm doing, the first thing is inside, I'm gonna try to dissolve it, and here it is. This one, the dough you can prepare this, can keep at least couple hours before. But I like a little bit more, longer. You know, I have all day, I'm gonna leave 5-6 hours, okay? Okay, the yeast is that. Try to find a nice big bowl, like this. Flour inside. Basically, we're gonna put all the ingredients all together, okay? First, I will put the milk. Start to mix a little bit. The egg can go in. The cream as well. The salt. The salt, I put a teaspoon, but you can put how much you like. Sugar. You're gonna mix this around when become a nice and smooth ball. Okay, gonna take 10 minutes. I'm gonna use my hand. I start in the bowl, but later I'm finished on my board. Okay, take your time. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with a friend, subscribe on the channel, and check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, when it's ready the bowl, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next. Okay guys, my dough is ready. Look how smooth it is. And now, take the bowl, a little bit of flour on the bottom, just to not stick on. I do this as well. A drop of oil on the top. Cover this with the cling film and leave at least 2 hours. Later, I'm gonna leave around 5-6 hours because I like more the levitation. But anyway, see you later for the next step. After 6 hours, my dough is ready. Look how beautiful it is. Now help me as well, my little master chef.
Under the light, it looks shiny.
It's very nice.
It's like shiny though.
Yeah.
Underneath the light.
Now, oh yeah, super soft. Enrico, passami.
Yeah, super soft.
Yeah, flour on the bottom. The dough we put
On the flour.
on the flour. What we're gonna do now? We extend like this. Even you can do two
Into like a
big sausages.
yeah,
Yeah? Like this. Now we're gonna make
big
some
bucket.
ball. Like this. Something like this. Okay? Easy job. Yeah? Because now we're gonna make the balls. Try to close like this. Yeah.
Still has to be circle.
Yeah. Leave it like that. And we do another one. No, small. Like this. Yeah, chop.
Like oh!
Okay?
I turn this into
Yeah. And I do another one. Okay? Guys, my balls, they ready.
There are 14 in total.
Now 14 in totals. Well done, Enrico. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna leave this again to at least be double. I'm gonna do at least 30 to 45 minutes, okay? Just we cover like that, put the flour on, cover again like this. I'm gonna take another.
The other way around.
See you in half an hour, 45 minutes, and later we're gonna start making the langos, and we're gonna start deep frying. I left them
45 minutes.
Yeah, look at that. Fantastic. They grow a little bit. This is what we want. Vegetable oil or sunflower oil is already on because we're gonna deep fry. I'm gonna need some cheese. Any medium soft cheese because we're gonna grate it. Some sour cream or yogurt if you like, and garlic. We're gonna put the garlic and oil. We start just from here. We have here 3 or 4 bowls. It's for Enrico. He's gonna make some. Tell them what you gonna make.
I don't know. I'm gonna make some.
Some experiment. You know. Hello. We take garlic, guys. I think this is how much you like. We start from here.
If you don't like garlic, you don't have to do it.
But garlic is very basically in this langos.
Yeah.
Because
Very important.
Very important, yeah, ingredient.
If you don't want garlic, just don't do this.
Okay, we have this garlic, like that. How much you like? I think I'm gonna add,
3,
no, 1 more,
2.
2,
Because I like garlic.
yeah,
We like garlic. Like Wario from Mario, he likes garlic too.
yeah. Okay, when the garlic is like that, take some nice olive oil.
It's just great.
We need olive oil here, guys. Anyway, if it's too much, you can leave for if some cooking, you know? You can cook with Italian people, they love garlic. Leave it like that. We make space here. We're gonna
Don't
start.
steal mine.
No.
Meh.
We're gonna start making langos. Well, I'm gonna start with that one. Enrico said. He's gonna put like that.
No,
This you want?
no, I don't want him.
Oh, we put like that. Okay, guys.
What
Now,
about wrinkly?
careful, Enrico. This 3 is Enrico.
What about wrinkly?
Now I'm gonna put some flour
Um,
on the bottom, and
fix wrinklies.
if
Make
you
them
have
flat.
any problem, you have to stretch like that. Try to make
As flat. Flat as you can, but not too thin.
the langos basically stretch like that.
Not too thin or it'll break.
Is that we need this. Okay, now we waiting the oil because the oil gonna be around at least 180. We waiting a little bit. When the oil is ready, we start fried. Okay, and I show you. The oil is ready. My langos is ready. I want to show you. Just Enrico make a like calzone. He put something inside. It's experiment anyway. It's Enrico experiment.
And I'm covering it with the rest of the dough.
Now we put this in the oil. It's gonna be in the oil around 2-3 minutes, and we're gonna turn it. Okay? This is very good if you try when they warm.
Yeah.
But even cold, they absolutely
Yeah,
delicious.
but warm is the best. Not too warm, so you don't burn your tongue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Ooh.
Leave that. I don't want to be long. I show you when I turn it. Now it's time to turn it. Yeah, it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Prepare your plate with some kitchen roll on, because we're gonna put on. That is the langos. It's something very East European, Central East European.
Nice.
Yeah, but absolutely delicious. Now on the top here we can brush some oil and garlic.
Henry, who makes the best langos?
My grandma.
Hey!
It's Babina Viera. Yeah. We can add some salt and pepper here if you like. And we're gonna brush that. We're gonna add some sour
So
cream
cream or yogurt?
or yogurt,
Depends
brown.
what.
Yeah, thank you, Enrico. And some grated cheese. That is. This one,
It looks delicious already.
I think,
It's done.
is done.
Oh, that's quick.
Yeah, we put like that. And
Don't forget, don't burn your tongue.
Yeah.
So it looks good, but you can't eat it.
this one, because Enrico said he want one straight away.
It's too hot.
No, now,
I just
but
said about burning.
I want to show how we gonna make. Okay?
Beautiful. The glossy,
Take your oil and garlic.
if you want to.
No, but this is very important. Just
Don't
brush
have
it
to.
and
Doesn't like it.
some cream.
Voila.
You gonna have it cream?
No.
You don't want cream? You want some cheese?
No,
Just like that?
Yes.
Okay, Enrico like that. Next one I'm gonna show you how we like. Okay,
All the stuff.
this is for you. Careful, it's very hot.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I'm going to
Put it
make,
on the...
you know, I don't want to be long. And here we go. Okay, we fried our langos, and I'm gonna show you when we're gonna try it. Okay, guys, something like that is absolutely perfect. I don't want to be long with you. Enrico, is nice your langos? Show me. Oh, it's absolutely delicious. Guys, the langos is this. Absolutely delicious. If you like,
And crunchy.
and crunchy, always finger up and follow us. Ciao.